to do a quick lesson of how to pronounce the TH sound. The. As a Russian speaker, I had some trouble saying it correctly, so I used to say z instead of the th, like zat, not that. So today we're going to teach you how to say it correctly.
That's right, and the key to all this is actually your tongue placement, and Sophie is going to show you how to do that.
So you have to place your tongue on your teeth like this, and you have to say the letter F. The. See? That. Thank you. Those. If you got it correctly, good job. And for the second lesson, we are doing this.